Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you, and then if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. As usual guys, any chit chat video request, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Today, before we crack on, just a massive huge thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the love and support, and thank you to the old subscribers that always decide to sticking out with me. Okay guys, so today, super cute, easy, simple tutorial. I'll show you how to I'll not show you how to make actually, because it's really straightforward, super simple. I'll show you all the goodies I've used to make this little 3x3 folio. So what is inside? So it's literally a simple strip, and then you've got two pockets, and then inside there is a tea bag of the English tea shop. So in case you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with this English tea shop. I've done a video last year when I was showcasing a similar product using the envelope punch board, and I will put the link in here in case you guys have missed it. Please go and have a look, because it's a really nice structured envelopes, very easy to make. And I've used these bags as well last year. I used them as well for myself and also for like gifting for happy meals, especially if you are a tea drinker. This will you will like this, because you got all different flavors. My favorite, personal favorite one is the green tea with pomegranate. So really nice, fairly inexpensive. Bought this from Amazon, so I will put the link on the description box. So everything I used, I will put the link in the box, so if you guys want to have a look. So to make this is extremely simple. What I've used this paper pad. It's from Marianne Design, and it's called the Pretty Paper Block. It's the vintage collection. So you've got this amazing pad, and I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. It's the Antonio, this is the back, this is the front. It's the nostalgic pictures. That's what's it called, from Pretty Papers Block. And you get this amazing print, very shabby, very vintagey. So you get 1, 2, I think it's 5, 3, 4 of everything. Yeah, 4 of each page. And you've got this design here. See if I missed anything. This design here with this lovely lady. If I put it like this, it will be straight. And then it's her, very early 20s, little cherub, very romantic, very vintagey, very shabby. Postcards that you can actually fussy cutter, create little tags, which I will do another tutorial with these. Another lady there, those two lovely ladies there, and a postcard. So what I've done with this, I literally cut a strip. Okay, this is the strip that I've cut, and then I cut another 2 strips, fold it in half. In fact, I can just really quickly show you. So cut this in half. Okay, so this big strip is actually the strip in there. And with these, what I did, I folded in half. Sorry, in a quarter. Excuse the state of my finger and nails, but I've just filmed a tutorial with the charcoal powder. So I washed my hands several times, and it's still in there. So it's not dirty, I promise you guys. And I've still got some gold in there as well. Gold is the new black. So I created little envelopes, and what I did, I stitched them there. And I've used, I've got a new toy. I'm obsessed, absolutely obsessed. This is a portable and cordless sewing machine. It's battery operated, so you've got the battery there. Let me just secure it. So you've got the secure button there, and then you've got the main needle in there, and it's so easy to use. You've got the batteries in there, and then the bobbin in there, and then with the pack, it's so, I mean, I'm useless and clumsy, as you guys know. I'm the most clumsy person in this planet. If I can use this, you guys can. So I saw it and I was like, let's give it a go. With the box, you actually get some accessories. You've got a meter. You've got 6 more bobbins. Really nice and colourful. You get this scissors thing, whatever it's called. You get some safe pins. And then on here you get, so this has come off with the bobbins. So that will come off. You just replace, you get the small one here, but you get also the long one in there. So you could, let me just put this back without, sorry, I'm making a mess. This is what I'm saying. Do you see when I say I'm clumsy? That's why. Everything I touch is either going on the floor or I break it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So you can make a longer one in there. And you've got 2 more bobbins. You get a spare needle. And you also get these little metal things there. It's help you to put the thread through the hole in the needle. So really, really handy. So I ordered from Amazon. I saw it on somebody on Pinterest showing how they were using it. And I was like, oh my God, I could never work it out. It's actually really, really simple. So when I was having a little play, I thought, let me show the guys that as well. Come with the instructions as well. What else I've used? Those 2 butterflies are extremely grateful gifted from the lovely Steph, Woolly Steph. It's the last 2, so I have used them in here. I have used, you see these words here? It's actually from an old book that I have. And use some music paper, gifted by the lovely Auntie D. And then as a closure for the 2 pockets, and also then on the back, I have used some, this is the second pack I ordered because I used them like, it's like water. Excuse me, guys. It's the glue, Velcro dots. So you get the closure like that. Okay. And then on the front, I've used seal wax. I've done a video showcasing how to make this with the Cobids wax set. In case you missed it, I will put the link here in the corner. Okay, so I'm going to make loads of this because they're so easy to make. A really quick project, really relaxed, simple, and I think they're really effective. I mean, the butterfly is still wet, so it will dry. You don't have to put tea. You can put like tags. You can put little die cut pictures. You can do anything. You can put like some money. You know, if you send like a gift to friends and family, anything. You can also add a little pocket here if you want to put something on the back. But I quite like the writing there, so I didn't want to spoil it, and I put some more music shit in there. And of course, it's not my project without a touch of gold. And that's my initial. Okay, super cute. Right, guys, very simple. How we got 9 minutes, right? Quick before it's under 10 minutes. Yes, I made it. Another idea. I hope you guys this little idea. If you did, don't forget to give me a charcoal gold thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, any chit chats or video requests, I'm on Instagram, and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.